What's going on, y'all? Now, you guys know if you've been following me for a while that I enjoy Lyft, right? The last 6, 8 months have been really good for me. But I got to call, nonsense, garbage, BS on this latest thing they got going on. They call it the busy or bonus. I don't even know what to call it. A carrot? It's a dangling carrot. So I don't know if it's in all markets yet. I know some people have it, some people don't. But when you open up your app, you're going to see here, if you're in that time zone, which for me today was 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And this is how it works. You get notified you're going to have a busy or bonus zone. You go online. If 5 minutes pass without any ride requests, you'll be eligible for a $2.50 bonus when you accept and complete your next ride. So you can turn on your app between that busy period. For me, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. I'm not in a bonus. I have to get a request first. Then there'll be a bonus between that first ride and that second ride. So there's no incentive for me to go on at 11 a.m. through 1 p.m. when I know it's not busy. And because I drive XL and up, my chances of getting a ride are maybe 1 per hour. So it's not busy. You want me to go online, but yet I don't get any kind of bonus or incentive until after I complete that first trip. That's number one. Number two, you get the $2.50, and then every minute that goes by, you get a 50-cent increase, and up until a max of $10. Okay, so say I got $10 bonus. I max out, right? I had to get a ride first, then the bonus kicks in. What happens if I don't get a ride in that by the time the period ends? I got a feeling that $10 goes away, because I don't know if you guys and ladies have noticed, but when you get a Lyft bonus, right? You ride through an area, you pick up the bonus, but you don't get a request. That bonus used to stay with us until we got a request or shut off the app. Now, after about 2 hours, that bonus disappears. I've noticed this over the last month or so. And so I don't know how good or bad this is going to be. I just kind of think they're dangling a carrot at us to get us out to the busy times. I don't see this being good for drivers. I just don't. So anyway, and finally, you accept and complete your next ride. You get the bonus after the ride. Here's the video opening up the app. You see the busy or bonus time, right? Click on it. Tells you everything that's going on. And this is what I mean. So you're going to see here, I'm going to go online. I am now online. There's no bonus until you get the first ride. I don't know. You guys tell me. You think they're dangling a carrot, or you think this is going to be good? Let me know down in the comments below. Vinny Cuz, again, hit the subscribe button, like button, yada, yada, yada. Listen, we just broke 700 subscribers. I appreciate you. And we'll see you next time.